mfowethu bese yazazisa ukuthi obani siyazi ukuthi uyi-artist kodwa sizothanda ukuthi sizwe ngaye eyichaza ukuthi ubani ngoba wena ungayichaza kahle kubantu ukuthi ubani.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is very special event today, conference for everyone that you've been waiting for.
Yeah.
Today is Mother's Day, very important for our mothers. So it's important for you to solve for X for MK.
Okay.
Not things like solve for X for the part that you feel like to vote. Those in part this message for you. I'm gonna perform the song. This is what encourage the people to vote MK.
Wow.
And Cholos as well. People they know, they've been composers from Cholos a long time ago.
Thank you
But
so much.
all you gotta do, listen the song today. Esingasho. Ngathi ababheka umshalozi. Ngathi abagada umsholozi.
Yeah.
Bebethi benzayo. Becinezela umsholozi. Solve for X. The part that you feel like to vote. Those in part this message for all of you. I know it's been a long time. Struggling of the water you will end up. Low shedding, they will end up. Making sure your goals will happen to you. All of the location people. From Zuma, all over the city as well. Ladies and gentlemen, Zante, don't miss the opportunity. I hope all of the people they here in this location, Wamas, making sure solve for X for the part that you feel like to vote. MK, thank you.
Okay. But you didn't tell us about yourself. Who are you?
Oh, this is Dozin. This is from this location, Wamas, Inana Tusu. Umlaz as well.
Josie, no khuluma isingisi
Yeah, in terms of the purpose, feel vote your part that you feel like to vote.
Yeah.
Today, it's happening today. And listen the addressing speech of the MK. This is Dozin, location boy. Thank you.